Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm opening up a package from Ttdeye. When you get your package, it comes with those really cute stickers. It also comes with this little sheet to show you how to win free contacts, which is really cool. And then once you get inside the box, all of the contacts come in these little packages. I absolutely loved the packaging on this box. It was so cute, so pretty, and I absolutely thought it was adorable. I really love that for each pair of contacts you get, it does come with its own individual case. And what I love about these cases, if I can get it open, are that it comes with a little tool to help you pick up the contacts and put it into your eye. It also helps with another tool to kind of pinch the contacts and pick those up without ripping them. You know, if you have long nails, sometimes it can be hard to get contacts out of the case, so I think that's really cute. And it obviously comes with a traditional contact case that is separated by left or right eye. It also came with these cute little cat tattoos, which I think my daughter would love, so I'm gonna give those to her because I think she'll be thrilled to have those. And then it also comes with a small compact mirror, which is really nice because obviously when you're putting contacts in, you want to be able to see what you're doing up close. So I thought that was a really nice touch. I absolutely am going to put that to use. And last but not least, it came with these little sequins, and I'm actually going to use those for my nails. But yes, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today's video is going to be completely different. We are going to be trying on some color contacts. Now the color contacts that I got are from a brand called Ttdeye, and you guys, I'm going to show a clip of the packaging, but when I tell you guys that this package was the cutest, most adorable package, it was adorable. Okay, so long story short, I used to wear contacts back when I was in high school, and I used to love wearing color contacts to constantly switch my look up. But I have not worn them since I've been an adult, so I'm really curious to see how these contacts look on me. You guys can tell I do have very dark brown eyes, so we're gonna see if these contacts actually look natural and if they actually look good on me. So if you guys want to see what I look like in these color contacts that are super affordable for one, then definitely keep watching. Also, while you guys are here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know this is a little different than what I'm used to posting, but I want to bring you guys a couple different things and show you guys that I can kind of switch it up sometimes. But if you guys want to see how these contacts look on me, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so we are up close and personal. Sorry if the audio is a little echoey. I am in my bathroom right now because I have to see my eyes. So yeah, you guys, my eyes are nice and dark brown. I actually love my dark brown eyes, and I think it's really weird when people ask you if you wish you had lighter eyes, because I don't know, I just feel like my dark brown eyes look the best on me. But I do love the idea of switching it up. So I am going to go ahead and pull out the colors I'm going to start off with. The first pair of contacts I'm going to start off with is Polar Lights Brown. Now this is my eyes without the contacts, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like with the contacts in 2 seconds. Okay guys, 20 minutes later, I completely forgot how to put contacts in, so it took me a little long, but I like these. These are the Polar Lights Brown. They are actually really comfortable and they look really good. I think with my hair being so dark, it does look really pretty, and I really like these. The color on these is really gorgeous. Like, to me, I feel like it looks pretty natural, I can't lie, and like they're so comfortable. But yeah, it was really nice. I love that the contact case came with these little tools to help pick them up, because you can know your girl has these long nails, so I liked being able to pick the lenses up and being able to put it on my finger. So yes, this is Polar Lights Brown. Super pretty, super natural. It just looks good. I feel like they look really good with my skin tone, and yeah, let's go ahead and choose another pair. So next up, we're gonna be trying on clean gray. And fun fact, I actually used to wear gray contacts and I loved them so much. So I'm really excited about these pair. I hope they look good. I hope they look natural. And yeah, let's see what these ones look like. All right, guys, so these ones are the queen gray. And I feel like on camera, they are way more dramatic than they are in person. In person, they are light, but I feel like on camera, because of light hitting them, I feel they are giving me like superhero vibes. But yeah, look at these. These are really pretty. What I love about them is look how natural they look. These look so natural. That's crazy. But they also look really intense because my hair is dark and my skin's tan, so it definitely stands out. I really like these. Like, I don't know where I'd wear these. I don't know if I wear these on a daily basis, but these are definitely really cool. And I like that they change my face up like so much. Like, it's insane. Like, I don't know, I like those a lot. They almost teeter towards blue on camera, but I promise, let me change my lights. I don't know if that helped, but I promise you guys, it is really, really cool. And honestly, the second time putting these in, like, these were just so easy to get in and they were so comfortable and so cozy. And I feel like I can wear these like all day. These are really gorgeous. So yes, I do like the queen gray. They're gorgeous. So next we're gonna try on the queen brown and see how those look. Okay guys, and we're back with queen brown. Now these ones are by far the most comfortable ones. This was a breeze putting this third pair in. I absolutely love how these ones look. They are just like the Polar Lights brown, but they're a little different. Like, you see, these look so natural. Like, look, it looks so natural. Like, I know I'm up in your face, but it looks really natural. I absolutely love these ones. These are the kind of contacts that I could see myself wearing on a daily basis. Like, they are like a subtle change. It's not super dramatic on me, but I feel like it just kind of adds and looks good, especially since my hair is really dark. I feel like it just looks good against my skin tone. It's not too dramatic, it's not too unnatural. It just looks really natural and really pretty. So I really enjoy these ones. Like, up close. Ooh, I'm too close. Okay, up close, like, those are stunning. They're so pretty. Like, I love these ones so much. They are the most comfortable ones that I've worn thus far. And yeah, you guys, I'm in love with them. Excuse my makeup, you guys. I would highly recommend putting your contacts in first before you put on makeup, just because it gives your eyes more time to get adjusted to wearing contacts, but also you don't risk the chance of getting makeup in your eye or getting like mascara on your lenses. So I would highly recommend that you actually don't have makeup on at first and then put them in. But I just got off work not too long ago, so I was about to take my makeup off for nothing. We're gonna rock this face. But yeah, so I have one more pair left to show you guys, and then we are gonna wrap this video up. Hey guys, so we're back with the fourth and final pair. This is the color Queen Green. Now these ones are intense. They look really good. I used to love wearing green contacts, and these are really pretty. They're very green. I love that you can't really see any of my brown eyes in them, only because I want these to, like, if I'm gonna wear contacts, I want you to see it. I want you to see them. I don't want them to be dramatic, but I want them to like have their own true color. So yeah, this is them. So wait, they do look really natural to me. I do like them a lot. Yeah, I highly would recommend these. These contacts turn out so good. I haven't worn contacts in forever, and now I really cannot wait to wear these. I will go ahead and leave any coupon code that I have down below, as well as the website. You guys, they have so many different types of contacts, whether you're into looking natural, whether you're into just looking extreme or cosplay or anime. Like, they have so many options, and they're all super affordable, and they're always having sales. So definitely check them out down below and get yourself some, because not only was the packaging, as you guys saw, adorable, but the shipping was super fast, as well as the product itself is really good. And it's nice because they also offer prescription lenses. So if you already wear contacts and you want something kind of to like spice up your look, you can get your contacts that you would usually wear with them. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. I know I look a mess right now because now my eyes are all like sensitive because I've been pulling contacts in and out. But yeah guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you guys check out their website. Don't forget to use the code down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.